Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
ठीक. Okay. Now we want to deal a little bit MCQs for topics related to the quadratic equation. MCQ number 1 is, which of the following is a factor of 12x cube minus 31x square y plus 2xy cube y square plus 24y cube? X minus 2y, x plus 2y, 2x minus y, 2x plus y. So this is a polynomial of x. We will substitute the value of x. If we consider the polynomial of y, we will substitute the value of y. Here, p of x is equal to 12x cube minus 31x square y plus 2xy square plus 24y cube. Suppose this is a value, this is a factor. So the value of x minus 2y is equal to 0. It implies that the value of x is equal to 2y. So 2p of 2y is equal to 12 into 2y whole cube minus 31 into 2y whole square y plus 2 into 2y y square plus 24y cube. After calculation, the value of 2 cube means 8. 8 into 12, 96 y cube minus 2 square means 4. 4 into 31. 4 into 31, 4. 4 3 the 12. Y square into y cube plus 2 to the 4y cube plus 24y cube. 96 plus 4 means 100. 100 plus 24 means 124 minus 124 cancel. If the result of p of 2y is 0, then x minus 2y is the factor. So number 1 option is the correct answer. Okay. Next is MCQ number 2 is, for what value of k? You have to find out the value of k. For what value of k, x minus 2y is a factor of the expression x cube. Similarly, x cube, how many x cube? There is 1 x cube minus 4x square minus 4 kx means k, constant term minus 2. For what value of k? X minus 2 means we have to substitute the value of x is equal to 2, 1. 1 to the 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 minus 4, k minus 4. 2 into k, 2k minus 8. This will be 2k minus 10. 2k minus 10 is equal to 0. 2k is equal to 10. 2 5 the 10, k is equal to 5. So you have to indicate the value of k is equal to 5. This is MCQ number 3 is, if 2t minus 1, 5t minus 1 is equal to 13, then what should be the value of t? 4 upon 5 comma 3 upon 2 means these both are the roots of the given equation. Minus 4 upon 5, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 5, 3 upon 2, and also you can write the option minus 4 upon 5 comma minus 3 upon 2. Okay. Now substitution. 4 upon 5, this value is related to t. If we set 2 into 4 upon 5 minus 1, 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 1. If the calculation, with respect to calculation, we get the value 13, then the root is correct. So this will be 5 is the LCM, 4 minus 5, 5 cancel, 4 minus 1. This will be 4 minus 5 minus 1 upon 5 into 3. Result is minus 3 upon 5. We need value 13. So 4 upon 5 is wrong root. If 4 upon 5 is the wrong root, then 4 upon 5 is also wrong root. This is also 4 upon 5. This is also 4 upon 5. Okay. So if positive 4 upon 5 is wrong, if positive 4 upon 5 cannot be the root, so we can make the decision neither 4 upon 5 with respect to A is correct, not 4 upon 5 with respect to C is correct. Remaining are other two options, minus 4 upon 5. If you select minus 4 upon 5, so 2t means 2 into minus 4 upon 5 minus 1, 5 into minus 4 upon 5 minus 1. So this will be 5 is the LCM, minus 8 minus 5, 5 cancel, minus 4 minus 1. This will be minus 13 upon 5 into minus 5, 5 cancel, minus minus plus 113 the 13. So this is a correct answer. Either minus 4 upon 5 is correct or this minus 4 upon 5 is correct. So only if this is a correct, then this is the option. If this is wrong, then this is the option. Okay. Second root is 3 upon 2. 2 into 3 upon 2 minus 1. 5 into 3 upon 2 minus 1. 2 cancel, 3 minus 1. 5 3 the 15 minus 2 upon 2. So 2 into 15 minus 2, 13 upon 2. 2 cancel, result is 13. So this is a correct option. Okay. This positive 3 upon 2 is correct, then negative 3 upon 2 will be wrong. Now, quadratic formula. Now, the next topic is quadratic formula. As quadratic formula is derived from the quadratic equation. Quadratic formula is derived from the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So therefore, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the given quadratic equation. Divide both sides by a, because a should be the free of coefficient. This will be ax square upon a plus bx upon a plus c upon a is equal to 0 upon a. A cancel. Here x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0. Now, first term x square is according to the square form. Last term is not according to the square form. So we can write this one just like x square plus b upon ax. We shifted the last term. Shift the last term to the next side will be minus c upon a. So here there are two terms, first term, middle term. After the shifting of the last term to the next side, here third term is missed. So as last term is equal to middle term square upon 4 into first term. So here middle term square means b upon ax whole square upon 4 into first term means 4x square. So this will be b square x square upon a square into 4x square. X square cancel. The last term is b square upon 4a square. Suppose this is a indication a, aid in a. So we have to aid in a. This will be x square plus b upon ax plus b square upon 4a square is equal to minus c upon a plus b square upon 4a square. So this is according to x whole square plus b upon 2a whole square. This will be twice of x and b upon 2a. So twice of x and b upon 2a, 2 also cancel, b upon ax same. So now it is according to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it according to the a plus b whole square. 4a square is the LCM. Minus 4a square minus 4a into c plus b square. So we can write this just like as x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. So we need the value without square, not with respect to square. This will be x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus radical b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. X plus, we need to declare the value of x. X is equal to, when we shift b upon 2a, take the next side, it will be minus b upon 2a plus minus radical b square minus 4ac upon 4a square is radical 2a. Okay. The value of x is equal to, the LCM is 2a minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4ac. So quadratic equation gives us two roots. One root is minus b plus radical b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Second root is minus b minus radical b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus radical b square minus 4ac upon 2a, comma, the value of x is equal to minus b minus radical b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So therefore, there are two roots with respect to the quadratic equation, which are x is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, comma, minus b minus radical b square minus 4ac upon 2a, which is known as the quadratic formula related to the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now, examples related to the quadratic formula means we have to solve these problems, these solutions, examples with the help of the quadratic formula. Solution: we have to solve 3x square plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 0. if you make the relation of this equation with respect to the general quadratic equation, so here A is equal to 3, B is equal to 7, C is equal to 4. Using quadratic formula, the value of x is equal to minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4ac upon 2a. After substituting the value of related minus b, means x is equal to minus 7 plus minus radical b square means 7 square minus 4, a means 3, c means 4 upon 2 into a means 2 into 3. The value of x is equal to minus 7 plus minus 7 7 the 49 minus 4 3 the 12, 12 4 the minus 48 upon 2 3 the 6. The value of x is equal to minus 7 plus minus radical 1 upon 6. So you know that 1 is a perfect square. It provides the radical 1 just like itself 1 minus 7 plus minus 1 upon 6. So condition that if x is equal to plus 1, x is equal to minus 7 plus 1 upon 6 is equal to minus 6 upon 6, 6 cancel is equal to minus 1. Next is x is equal to minus 7 minus 1 upon 6, it will be minus 8 upon 6 minus 4 upon 3. So therefore, two roots are x is equal to two roots which are minus 1 comma minus 4 upon 3. Okay. Now we have to solve the equation 5y square plus 9y is equal to 3. 5y square plus 9y is equal to 3. So it's our assignment to write the equation according to its standard form. So this will be 5y square plus 9y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we will get the perfect value of c. So here a is equal to 5, b is equal to 9, c is equal to minus 3. By using quadratic formula, y is equal to minus b means minus 9 plus minus radical b square means 9 square minus 4, 5, the value of c is minus 3 upon 2a means 2 into 5. Now the value of y is equal to minus 9 plus minus radical 81. 9 9 the 81 minus into minus plus 4 5 the 20, 23 the 60 upon 10. The value of y is equal to minus 9 plus minus radical 1, 8 and 6, 14 upon 10. So there's no any perfect factor of 1 for 1. Therefore, the result of y is equal to minus 9 plus radical 141 upon 10, comma, second root is minus 9 minus radical 141 upon 10. So this should be the related answer of the question. Example 3 is solve x square plus 9 is equal to 5z. So first of all, it's our assignment to write the equation according to its standard form. Solution: x square plus, sorry, this is a z square. This should be z square. Z square plus 9 is equal to 5z. So we can write this according to its standard form just like as z square minus 5z plus 9 is equal to 0. If we make the relation of this equation with respect to the quadratic equation, the value of a is 1. Therefore, the value of a is 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 9. Using quadratic formula, the value of x is equal to minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here the value of z is equal to minus 5 plus minus radical minus 5 square minus 4 a into 1 into c means 9 upon 2a means 2 into 1. Therefore, the value of z is equal to 5 plus minus radical 25 minus 4 1 the 4, 4 9 the 36 upon 2 1 the 2. This will be the value of z is equal to 5 plus minus radical 25 minus 36 minus 11 upon 2. So minus 11 is the negative into the radical sign. So z is equal to 5 plus minus iota radical 11 upon 2. So the equation provides two roots which are 5 plus iota radical 11 upon 2, 5 minus iota radical 11 upon 2, which is the answer. 1 upon a plus 1 upon b is equal to 1 upon a plus b plus y minus 1 upon y. Then what should be the value of y? Related value of y is a comma b. B is minus a comma minus b. C is a comma minus b. D is minus a comma minus b. So if 1 upon a plus 1 upon b is equal to 1 upon a plus b plus y minus 1 upon y, then what should be the value of y? Suppose the value of y is a. So where y is involved, we substitute the value of y just like is equal to a. Suppose a is correct. So this will be 1 upon a plus 1 upon b is equal to 1 upon a plus b plus a minus 1 upon a. So LCM is AB. This will be a plus b is equal to LCM is equal to a into a plus a 2a. 2a plus b, this will be a minus 2a plus b. So AB and a into 2a plus b, a minus 2a minus b, this will be minus a minus b. So both sides are equal, not equal to each other, means a is not correct. If a is not correct, then this a will also be not correct, because here a is also involved. Next, if we say that minus a is correct answer, so here will be 1 upon a plus 1 upon b is equal to 1 upon a plus b. Substitution of minus a, this will be minus a, minus 1 upon minus a cancel. This will be also 1 upon b, minus into minus plus 1 upon a. Both sides are equal to each other. 1 upon a plus 1 upon b is equal to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b. Means minus A is the correct answer. If minus A is the correct answer, then minus A also correct. So either minus B is wrong or plus B is wrong. After substitution of plus B, 1 upon A plus 1 upon B is equal to 1 upon A plus B minus 1 upon B. So after having the calculation, 1 upon A plus 1 upon B not equal to 1 upon A plus 2B and minus 1 upon B. So this will be also wrong. So after substitution of minus B, this will be B minus B, 1 upon A minus plus 1 upon B. This will be 1 upon A plus 1 upon B, which is also to the left side. So D is the correct option. Okay. Now the topic is cube root of unity. Cube roots of unity. Cube root means any variable have the power cube. Unity means unit 1. So for this purpose, let x be the cube root of unity. Let x be the cube root of unity. It implies that x cube is equal to 1. 1 means unit. X be the cube roots of unity means let x cube is equal to 1. So we can write this x cube is equal to 1 cube because 1 is a unit number. After increasing the power, the value of 1 cannot be changed, will be remain same. So also we can write this x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. So this is a formula like a cube minus b cube. So you know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So this will be a cube minus b cube. A minus b means x minus 1. A square means x square plus ab plus 1x means x plus b square means 1 square. 1 square means 1 is equal to 0. So after the solving of x cube minus 1 cube, we have two kinds of factor, x minus 1 and x square plus x plus 1. So if the product of two factors is 0, then either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if x minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, it implies that the value of x is equal to 1. For x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, by using quadratic formula, so value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to 1, value of c is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus radical b square means 1 square minus 4 into 1 upon 2 into 1. So here the value is minus 1 plus minus radical 1 minus 4 upon 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus radical minus 3 upon 2. Minus 3 means iota. It implies that the value of x is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota radical 3 upon 2. So there are 3 cube roots of unity R. Therefore 3 cube roots of unity are x is equal to 1 is the root, comma minus 1 plus iota radical 3 upon 2 is the root, comma minus 1 minus iota radical 3 upon 2 is the root. Okay, now this is the answer. The properties of the quadratic equation. The properties of the cube roots of unity. There are three properties of the complex cube roots of unity. Number one property is each of the complex cube roots of unity is the square of the other. Proof. As omega is equal to minus 1 plus iota radical 3 upon 2. Squaring both sides, omega square is equal to minus 1 plus iota radical 3 upon 2 whole square. By solving the square, minus 1 whole square plus twice of minus 1 and iota radical 3 plus iota radical 3 whole square upon 2 square. The square of 2 is 4. Omega square will be 1 minus 2 iota radical 3 plus iota square into 3 upon 4. So value of iota square is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 means minus 3. 1 minus 3 means minus 2. Minus 2 iota radical 3 upon 4. 2 is common, 2 to the 4. Therefore, omega square is equal to minus 1 minus iota radical 3 upon 2, which is the square of omega. Similarly, if you make the square of omega square as omega square whole square, which will be minus 1 minus iota radical 3 upon 2 whole square, which also provides the root minus 1 plus iota radical 3 upon 2. So in this condition we can say that each of the complex cube root of unity is the square of the other. So therefore each complex cube root of unity is the square of the other. Proved. Example 2 is the sum of the three cube roots of unity is 0. Sum of 3 cube roots of unity. Also we can say that complex cube roots of unity is 0. I.e., we have to prove that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. As we already denoted that x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus iota radical 3 upon 2, which is omega, and x is equal to minus 1 means iota radical 3 upon 2, which is also omega square. 3 cube roots of unity are 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So therefore, left hand side is 1 plus omega square. After substituting the constant value, this will be 1 minus iota radical 3, 1 minus 1 minus plus iota radical 3 upon 2 plus minus 1 minus iota radical 3 upon 2. So these are 3 roots. 1 omega square. So LCM is 2. 2 1 the 2 minus 1 plus iota radical 3 plus into minus 1 minus iota radical 3. So minus iota radical 3 plus iota radical 3 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 also cancel, which will be 0 upon 2 means 0. So therefore we have the value 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Condition that the sum of 3 roots of unity is 0. So also we can get the 3 conditions from this identity. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So therefore, just like A is 1 plus omega, it gives the value of minus omega square. B is 1 plus omega square will give the value minus omega. C is 1 omega plus omega square, it gives the value minus 1. Okay. Property number 3 is, if one complex cube root of unity is omega, the other is 1 upon omega. Proof. What is the proof? As omega is equal to minus 1 plus iota radical 3 upon 2. This is a given. If one complex cube root of unit is omega, what should be the other? So therefore, 1 upon omega is equal to 1 upon minus 1 plus iota radical 3 upon 2. So also we can write this 2 upon minus 1 plus iota radical 3 by making the rationalization. Minus 1 minus iota radical 3 upon minus 1 minus iota radical 3 by the multiplication and division with respect to the conjugate of minus 1 plus iota radical 3. So therefore 1 upon omega is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus iota radical 3 upon, this is a plus b, this is a minus b, which is minus 1 square minus iota radical 3 whole square. This will be 2 minus into minus, 2 minus 1 minus iota radical 3 upon 1 minus iota square into 3. The value of iota square is minus 1, minus into minus plus. So this will be 2 into minus 1 minus iota radical 3 upon 4, 2 to the 4. Therefore 1 upon omega is equal to minus 1 minus iota radical 3 upon 2, which is equal to omega square. So it's correct that if one complex cube root of unit is omega, the other is 1 upon omega, which is equal to the omega square. Proved. Okay. Number 4 is prove that omega power cube is equal to 1. We have to prove that the value of omega cube is equal to 1. So therefore, omega cube is equal to minus 1 plus iota radical 3 upon 2 whole cube. So this will be minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square iota b plus 3 into minus 1 to iota radical 3 whole square plus iota radical 3 whole cube upon 2. So we have a formula of a plus b whole cube. You already know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Similarly, a cube 3a square b 3ab square plus b cube upon 2 cube. 2 also hold the cube. This will be minus 1 also. Minus 1 cube means minus 1. Minus 1 square means plus 1. Plus 1 into 3. 3 iota radical 3. Minus 1 into 3. 3 iota square into 3. Plus iota cube means minus iota. 3 into 3 radical 3. 3 radical 3 cube means 3 radical 3 upon 8. So this will be minus 1 plus 3 iota radical 3. This is also iota square means iota square means minus 1 minus into minus plus 9 minus 3 iota radical 3 upon 8. This and this cancel. Minus 1 plus 9 means 8. 8 upon 8, 1. So therefore, the value of omega cube is equal to 1. Proved.